Warning, do not do this at home. This is not safe and never take a bite of slime. What is up, everybody? Welcome back with a brand new video. And you know what's gonna happen. This video is gonna be about me taking a bite of this slime right here. So, sorry for the background. So, we're gonna be, I have water behind me, cause I don't wanna get sick. Hopefully I don't get sick. And yeah, so, and as you can tell, I got 5 likes right here. And yeah, I got 5 likes. So, that's why we're gonna be doing this video. Cause I said in my last video, if I get 5 likes, I will take a bite of this slime. So, if you guys should check it out. I did a review on the slime. Yeah. So let's get started. So I'm kind of nervous about this because I kind of don't want to take a bite out of this slime. But I'm gonna say I'm not gonna take a bite, then keep it in my mouth. I'm just gonna chomp on it. No. Cause if I put it in my mouth, too much. Nah. So yeah, I was about to give up. So, well, I didn't. So that's good. Okay, so okay. So I got the courage to do it. I have my water right here, like in a cup. So I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous, guys. Stay tuned, okay? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Let's do this. We're gonna do it. In this video, we are gonna do it. But if I hit 40 subscribers this month, I'm gonna put the most like a prank, like a big prank on 4 people in one video. So you saw last video, I just hit my sister. That was a weird prank, basic. But I'm gonna full on throw balloons off the roof. Not really. Nope, heck no. I am not gonna go on the roof. I'm way too scared. But we're gonna make I'm gonna start pranking people. So yeah. And you guys can comment what you want. Only if we hit 40 subscribers this month. So let's hit that. Subscribe, or this spider will come after you when you're sleeping. Like and subscribe. So yeah, let's get started. And yeah, I was stalling. But that's actually gonna happen. But this water doesn't even make me safe. Okay, let's just get started. Oh. Okay, it's not. Okay. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Bro, this time. 3, 2, 1. Too kind. Okay. Oh, that tastes so gross. It has this smell and taste. This is not fake, bro. It's still in my mouth. Not my mouth, but like, I can still taste it. So we did it. Yeah, I did it. I better hit 40 subscribers this month, or a spider will get you next night. So see ya in the next video.